forward, that's just behind the stand that it's on. It's down there.
Oh my god, yeah, see me. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's about right. No problem whatsoever. That's years of yoga, that is. I can't get off it though.
A young lad is showing off this looking weird looking Yamaha Nikon. Was it Nikon? Probably Nikon actually, 1K. The two wheels at the front. It looks like a transformer. At any moment it's going to turn into some sort of robot. Fantastic. I mean, I can't work out if it looks good or not. It just looks bloody weird. I'm sorry looking at my face again, but I've been at the show and I've seen some beautiful bikes, but quite frankly, look at this. Just want to point out this most beautiful young lady. I saw you yesterday. How are your legs coping?
Oh, they're struggling now.
Are they?
A bit like...
You're seriously gorgeous. You're the best looking thing in here, and there's some really nice bikes.
Oh.
But you should get you on some of those bikes. It'd be you go cover material.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god, you're attractive. I just had to come and say hello.
Oh, well, nice to meet you.
Good grief. I'll be able to sleep tonight. That's another story. Right, all the best is.
We're looking forward to it.
We're here on the Royal Enfield stand. Not because I'm interested in the bikes, just come here to make me feel young. God, I'm liking that. Oh. Problem is, wouldn't go with my levers. Oh, here's a Goldwing. Look at the size of this. There's probably small cars lighter than this. Absolute beast of a bike. Oh, look at the back end. I've been out with girls with smaller back ends than that. Here we are at BMW. Got distracted by the brunette, as you would do. Never mind, eh? Anyway, back to the bikes. Hi all, coming up on future videos, more from the MCN show in 2019, including interviews with some of the major manufacturers and indeed John McGuinness and Carl Fogarty.